Today I'm going to talk about graphing on a coordinate plane, and what that is when you have an ordered pair, so you have a set of numbers, the one on the left will always be x and the one on the right will always be y, and you want to graph them on a coordinate plane here and see if you can find a pattern or make a line. So when you have a positive x and a positive y, the x-axis is right here, so it'll be somewhere to the right of 0. And then if your y is positive, here's the y-axis this way. And so it'll be somewhere up here, so it'll be in this coordinate. If you have a positive x, it'll be somewhere to the right of 0, but a negative y, you're going to find the 0 on the y-axis, and it'll be somewhere down in this region. If you have a negative x and a positive y, you're going to go to the left of 0. Here's on the negative x on the x-axis, and a positive y, you're going to go up above 0 on the y-axis, and you'll be somewhere in this region. If you have finally a negative x and a negative y, it'll be to the left of 0 on the x-axis, and you'll go down below 0 on the y, so you'll fall somewhere in that one. For a couple examples, I just wrote out some basic ones to try. 2, 2, so that would be 2 on the x-axis, and just to follow it up here, and then here's 2 on the y-axis, so that's the ordered pair 2, 2 on the coordinate plane. To find 2, 4, you would follow the x-axis over to 2 and follow that all the way up y till you got to 2, 4. When you have negative 2, 4, you follow over to 2, negative 2 to the left of 0, but you still have a positive y, so you're going to go up on the y-axis to negative 2, 4. When you have 2, 4, negative 2, negative 4, it's negative 2 on the x-axis and negative 4 on the y-axis. And that's negative 2, negative 4. I do have a cool follow-up activity, but I couldn't print it, so I'm going to just attach it after my video, just with the same post. And that is graphing on a coordinate plane.